Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to go ahead and install a screen protector for the Google Pixel 7 Pro. And I got this one on Amazon. It's called Fantgian Guard Premium Screen Protector. This was running like 12, 13 bucks. I think it's only like two pieces. So go ahead and unbox this thing. The thing is, screen protectors for curved screens are way more expensive. Not too many manufacturers make them. And because the phones themselves aren't really that popular as far as the curved displays. You only have a handful of phones that are curved. So a lot of the companies don't make curved screen displays as far as for these phones. So let's go ahead and see what's in here. Just a box here with screen protector, and it has some books and stuff. And this one has the easy to install. So this one has how many pieces here? It's 3 pieces, which should be enough for anybody. I probably don't go through many screen protectors. I keep my phones pretty safe. So let's go ahead and see how this works. So what we're going to do is we're just going to put 2 of these away here for next time. And what we're going to do is we're going to place, I believe, the phone in here in the brackets. And I think this is how this works. So you place the phone in here first. I think it, or this the other way. Let's check it out here. So we got to make sure we do it the right way. So this goes like this. So there you go. You place it like that. So the phone is going to go ahead and be snug in here. So when you do install the screen protector, I'm still getting updates on this phone, by the way, guys. So when you do install the screen protector, you can just lay it softly on top of it, and you don't have to worry about, um, putting it on crooked or anything like that. And of course, the first thing that you do want to do is you want to use these wet wipes to wipe off any residue. And then after you're done with the wet wipes, you want to go ahead and use a cloth to clean it off. Now, as far as I can tell, these are both wet wipes. Now, I'm not sure if there's where the dry wipes are here somewhere. I'm pretty sure they're somewhere in here. Okay, so here we have the dry wipe. We're going to go ahead and use these first, and go ahead and clean this off. Just like that, very simply, very gently. Just wipe it thoroughly here. Wipe it thoroughly. The phone should already be clean, but let's go ahead and just wipe that in there thoroughly. Okay. Now let's go ahead and put this on here. Wipe with the dry cloth. Okay. All right. And then just after you're done with that, just go ahead and just kind of take a look at it. Make sure that there's no residue anywhere. Okay. And I don't see anything anywhere. So we're going to go ahead and put that down. And then we're just going to get one of these bad boys here and just apply it. So what you're going to do is you're going to peel this off here. Do not touch the back. Do not touch the back, guys. Do not touch the back. By all means, once you touch the back, you contaminated the screen protector, and it will be for no good anymore. So just go ahead and kind of follow where the camera cutout is. And this one has a perfect camera cutout right here. So just go ahead and do that. And then just kind of lay it softly and gently onto the device. All right. And then just make sure that the edges are rounded off here. And then just kind of start pressing it in. Right. And make sure that everything is aligned. And I think everything looks pretty good here. Now go ahead and take this off. And then just kind of press down again. Make sure you just go through everything just like that. And I think you're done, guys. So now the moment of truth is: will the screen protector work with this? Work with it, and you might have to run your screen fingerprint sensor again. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's try it again. Let's see if the fingerprint sensor is going to work here. And the only way to fix this is to um, put it in again. So we're going to go ahead and do that, and we're going to try to do that again. So let's go here to settings, and we're going to go to fingerprint, Now remember, if the fingerprint sensor doesn't work, this phone does have face unlock, guys, so it's not going to make that big of a difference. Where on the Pixel 6 Pro, you had no choice because you needed a fingerprint sensor. So let's go ahead and add this one. All right, see, it's going to work this way. You see that? Because see, it's contacting with the screen protector on. So if you do install a screen protector, you need to definitely redo your fingerprint sensor to make it work. Now, you're just going to have to attempt this a few times. Let's go ahead and delete this one, the old one first. Let's do this again. Now, sometimes you're going to have to do it a few times, guys. That is the price you pay to have one of these TPU hard. See, just gotta keep going at it, guys. Just gotta keep doing it. Eventually, it will get there. But yeah, I know that you just have to keep going. Don't give up. Don't give up. I know it's frustrating sometimes. See, you just gotta follow what it tells you. But trust me, it will get to work. All right. So I'm gonna keep at this again, guys. I'll be right back until I get it to work finally. All right, guys, I'm back. So what I did was I deleted the old fingerprint sensor. I restarted the device, updated everything, and once I did all that, I put a new fingerprint sensor, and look how fast it works. Check this out. So now it works instantly. Okay. Now I also added my left fingerprint and put that one in. There we go. Just like that. Actually faster than the Pixel 6 Pro. So now the fingerprint sensor works, face unlock works. So now you have both ways to unlock the device. And of course you can use the pin. But this is a major upgrade from the Pixel 6 Pro, is the fact that it has face unlock, which is still great. But the fingerprint sensor does work with the screen protector, guys. So anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, don't forget, hit the like button, subscribe down below. Until next time, stay tuned and stay blessed.